You ready?
Yep, talk me through it.
Alright, first thing you gotta do, take all the legs off right before that little shoulder or that elbow right there. Then you take the head off. I'll cut it up right here, rip it apart, and cut everything out.
So you're right above the elbow?
Below it, right below it. Because once you get above the elbow, you start getting into the meat.
Oh, okay. So you're cutting through the joint?
Yeah, just cut through. On these back legs, you can go a little bit higher above the elbow there. Like right there's where the meat starts, right there. Take your knife. Just kind of go around it. Give it a twist and a pull. Pops right off there. Pinch the skin and the hide. Just like that. Poke you a hole through there. Yep. That right there is all your meat.
Oh man, I annihilated that front end, didn't I?
Yeah. There ain't nothing left of it.
That leg here is probably alright.
Yeah. I'm just gonna rip that leg off. There ain't much left on it. You can usually, or Dad usually, will take all that fur off that tail. I don't think it's really necessary because you got to cut. I'll take my knife and cut right there. And you can avoid it the whole time. Just make sure all your fuzz and hides off of the legs. Take your knife. You can see it right there. You want to cut just below that little bone or socket right there. That's it. That's on the front shoulder there. Your back, huh?
Is that where the back strap to
Yeah, you can. Some guys will do it just the back strap. Some guys will cut it and just take the whole rib or the whole back out right there.
Where you at in there?
Right here on the inside.
Running along the pelvis?
Yep. Just right along that. Like there's a little bone right there. You just run it right on the outside there. And usually you can just break it off or cut it with scissors. Usually end up having to cut it with scissors. And that's That's all good meat right there.
A lot easier than deer.
Yeah.
Like having to cut all that flesh
Yeah.
out.
There's another one. Then a lot of guys, like I said, they'll cut the whole back strap out, or they'll just take their knife, go right above this where you cut your front leg off, cut through that. And you can feel the ribs. You go with the ribs at an angle.
So you're above all the ribs right there, or below
I'm
them?
below 'em. So the rib cage is right there. I'm below them.
Yeah.
Like right there. Go through the back, the underside. That's no good. We done took all the meat off of that there. And this right here is also no good. And there, that's all your meat right there on the back and on the inside. You can see where I didn't get all the guts out.
So then you're just trimming it up.
Yep. There's usually like a thin layer of skin on that back.
You want to let me do that one?
Yeah. You wanna do it?
Unless you're afraid of me.
Nah.
No, you ain't gonna hurt it.
No.
It's easy. So cut his, see his feet right there? Cut off his feet. This one right here.
I put a new blade on that. All right, so these ones right above.
Yep.
These ones are below.
Like for example, that one's broke right there, so yeah, you can cut it right there. Did you get it? You got it, babe.
Go ahead and cut your head off.
Head first?
Yeah.
Okay. Try my new blade out.
You can also grab it and just twist it and pull it off. You don't have to cut it.
Hey,
What's up? What you think?
He's getting a rundown.
What you think, Wesley? Did you like watching the dogs work?
Yeah.
I think that's the funnest part, is watching the dogs do their thing.
It's cold right here.
Is it cold? I told you it was gonna get cold today at some point.
Here, Wesley. This on the keychain you put on the book bag. Take that.
Stop it.
Good luck.
He probably don't want it.
Little rabbit's foot. Put that in your pocket, dude.
Yeah.
There's a game.
He'll probably start stinking.
You're supposed to get these.
You can show your mom.
She'd probably freak out.
Will she?
Probably.
I think she'd be alright. Well, damn, y'all tore him up, didn't you?
Oh yeah.
That's the one Rob shot, isn't it?
No, that's the one I shot there.
Did you get to shoot any of them?
I shot at 2 of them. I shot at this one. I shot at this one. So he might have a couple buckshot from me, maybe.
Wyatt shot it and it was just sitting there, and he shot above it when it was just sitting there.
Oh, what even he missed?
That one, when I shot him, he just coming. Dad jumped in there after the dogs or tried to kick the rabbit back up. I think was darting clear across.
And then there was one that ran by and he turned and shot, and it was shot. He was running, it shot behind him. Just a little bit.
Yeah.
You take any more off than that?
I don't.
Wyatt
Dad usually does.
I do.
That's just
I
up
like
to
to get
you.
them super clean myself.
All right, so now, let me see. This one is right through here,
Yep.
and then right through here.
Yep. You just kind of got a feel for it.
Yep.
Right on the pelvis.
There's a little bone in there too. I'm gonna let you guys handle that. I'm gonna go inside. You gonna walk inside, Wesley?
No, I'll stay here.
You gonna stay there? Vicky and Morgan's in there too.
All right, cut through.
Yep. Just cut right through that bone. What?
Bring him in when he's done so he can wash his hands.
All right.
Use the button. Keep going.
I think I might got a little bit of that pelvis right there.
Yeah, it's all right.
All right, so
Them squirrels, we do them the same way with the squirrels, but them squirrels are real tough. Pretty hard to even get the skin off of.
I just want to make sure I'm able to do this when I start going.
Yeah.
I saw a thing where some lady sued a guy for cleaning a deer in the garage, and their kids saw it. So she sued him. It was funny. And then it instantly got declined. It was like, you know how to see them, you know how to do this, but it was declined.
Is that good, or you clean it up anymore?
Nope, that's good right there.
All right.
And if them shoulders are too messed up, don't even bother with them. Like
But that's through here, right?
yeah, that one's good.
And
take it, move it. So that right there where he's gonna cut was like its elbow there.
so you want to go back behind in here?
Yep. Feel it right there where I'm moving it.
Yep. Under there.
Yep. You
Okay.
go right underneath there.
All right.
And then you're back there. And you can try it if you want, back strapping it out too. I
I'm-
did one like that the other day.
I'll probably go like this, the way you guys are doing it first. Do you go across here yet?
Yeah. Yeah,
Okay.
all that comes out.
And then up here was under the ribs.
Yep.
Okay. crossed.
Yep. Yep. And that's it. Cut all that extra skin off there and you're good to go. All this you throw in the trash and hope that the coons and critters don't get into it.
Pretty quick and easy.
It is.
Appreciate it.
No problem.